So here's the finished part, and it has the logo, but it also has this banner up at the top. Kind of go through this quickly, just showing you some of the graphics that are available out there. So here's the Home Depot just making a square shape, regular shift key held down with the eyedropper to get the orange, and then using the option R for the registration mark, usually set with Helvetica capital, and it'll be in white, so it'll make it a little bit easier to see. And then we'll zoom in here with a little bit of the text. So just take the text tool, type out Home Depot, highlight it. Up on the control panel you can change it to stencil, and under paragraph center it, and then rotate it to fit in. Go into the leading to paste the letters in between the lines of text, and just kind of position it right there, holding the shift key when you rotated it. And then stylize, just put a drop shadow. You can see the XY offset is a little bit tight. You can adjust it to fit, and the opacity, and you have that part, so just group that, set that off to the side. And then the banner, you just need to make one of these and then use the transform panel. So here's just showing you all the different graphics that are there, how they're using them, and then highlighting it to just see that one section. So we'll work on a layer above this. And however you want to draw the snowflake, or you can create your own actually, but this is just using the line segment tool option to set out the piece, give it a little thickness. You can even eyedrop the color and give it the thickness, makes it a little easier. Extend it with the option and the shift key to hold it. And these little side panels, just using the 45-degree angle with the shift key and then transforming them, and then transforming again to go down vertically, and just select it all. And here I just went in with the path and outlined the stroke, and then rotate it at 360 divided by 3. That's going to give you that measurement across. And now you have this shape. Just take a rectangle tool with the shape builder to divide it in half is the easy way to do it. Eyedrop the two colors, group it, and you can spin it, rotate it, scale it, any which way you have, but you have a directional segment there. So just set that off to the side. And then for the ornament, just a circle, there's a option in the middle to set it so it has a secondary circle. And do the same thing, take a rectangle tool, select all of them with the shape builder, just click on, click on, option key, and take that end one off. And then with these two gradients, just rotate them around. So you can use the ones that are already there, or create your own segment on the gradient. Here's the line segment tool just for the string that holds that part up. And there you have the one. Duplicated it, and just using the eyedrop tool to get all the colors from one. You might have to set yours on. I'm just duplicating what I have. Set all these elements down here, and just kind of place them, try to duplicate it so you have a copy. Place these up there so you can see them. And just using that ruler guide as a segment, and then zoom in a little bit when you get this ready. And just reposition them, tighten them up a little bit. Select them, and then just go to either range, distort, and transform, and just put in, if you put in too many copies it gets confusing, so I'm just going to set one in just to space it over. And horizontal move to set it across. And if you just decrease the first one, it'll go in there, and then go into the appearance panel, and you can modify it to increase 3, put an orange rectangle around that part. And here it's just taking these two onto a new layer and positioning them, just kind of center them a little bit. Just take a screenshot of that.